All right. Hey, this is Hans the Ramen Reader coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Taking a segue today to bring you this. This came by way of the Fat Hipster. Go check out the Fat Hipster on YouTube or else. And this is Samyang Buldak butter chicken curry sauce. Yeah, that's exciting. Ooh, that's gonna be tricky. So what you do is you just drop it in boiling water. That's what I'm doing. I'm gonna give it a couple of minutes. That's noisy. No, just give it 2 minutes on the stove. It's just boiling water, and you just like set it in there, and that'll make it go crazy. So went and got plexiglass to use instead of regular glass for the screen of the arcade machine, and so used painter's tape. Did up the screen so we could spray paint it, which we did, and put it in the thing, and it'd be thinner, lighter, and easier to work with. And now, boy, it's garbage. It was like a $50 piece of plexiglass, and now it's like completely worthless. We spray painted it, and it was coated evenly, and then all of a sudden it just didn't work. It all bubbled up, it got weird. It wasn't in direct sun. It was warm outside, but nothing that didn't make sense warm. It was almost probably close to 90 outside. And did one layer. Too thin. I probably would have worked with the one layer. Should have left well enough alone. But what's weird too is that it's like this. It's cloudy. I don't know. But whatever. I'm good. I think the glass on there will work. And yeah, it's just gonna stay that way. So. But yeah, I've wasted, literally had to throw away $100 worth of stuff that I bought, just over 100, because I got a mat to go over the screen, or then for the thing to go over that. Yeah, it just ended up being just a freaking nightmare. No wonder the guy got rid of it, because the way he did things, and I tried to keep cues from how he was doing it, because I don't know anything about making, doing arcade cabinets. So I went with what he was doing as kind of a guidepost, and it's like, no wonder I ended up with it, because this guy just totally didn't really get it, I guess. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plate this thing, take a couple pictures, and then I'm going to try it. Actually, I might be able to try it before I take the pretty pictures. But here, I'm going to use this. And I'm going to use a plating style that I've seen done by somebody who's in the group, or a moderator of the group, Ferengi. And it always looks good when she does it. So I'm going to take her lead on that. She does a lot of trying out Indian curries, Japanese. I think it's mostly Japanese curries, actually. So here is, I actually made butter chicken last night. First time of a brand that I've been doing their butter chicken. And actually, I didn't like it very much, but that's okay. I've had tons of their stuff now, and it's usually been really good. I really want to scan this package, but I don't know how I'm going to make that happen. It could happen, but I really don't foresee much luck with that. Here's our buttered chicken. I really don't even know if it's got any chicken with it. There's that. And then she puts an egg there. I'm learning it. But I think this is more of like how it's done for, what do you call it? Where's the spatula? I need the spatula. Sure is. Let's drop our egg on here. Whoa, behave yourself, egg. There's our egg. I think you could scoot a little bit. I think you're gonna. I don't want to break your yolk. The kitchen is fighting against me today, folks. I don't like that. I guess I could throw a little sprig of coriander like right there. I think that looks good to me. So I don't know that I really want to do anything other than take pictures right now. Yeah. So you hang loose. And I'll be right back. Alright, here we are, and I am ready to give this a try. It looks neat, and I don't know, we'll see if I like it. Yeah. So, let's try it straight first. Here we are. That's unique. And some rice. It's very sweet. It is spicy, but it's not terribly so. I think I like it. That's a toughie. It's not bad. It's not sensational. This is my exploration of fancy egg. This is a free-range heritage egg. Just like most eggs, it tastes like an egg. But I mean, if it just wasn't so sweet. I mean, it's almost like almost too sweet, and definitely not killing me on the spicy level. Yeah, it's one of those situations of like, I like it, but I don't. There is meat in the sauce, unless that's some really, really, really sneaky TVP. Yeah, there's the heat. It's kind of creeping up. And there's our lovely lawn maintenance people. I could take it or leave it. I'm not like super enthused with this. It's like certain things the Buldak flavor lends itself to well, and certain things it just doesn't. And this is one of those. It's like Korean Indian fusion. Anyways, well, thanks to the fat hipster for sending this along. Something interesting, yeah, not ramen, but I'm running really low, and so I've got 3 of these varieties, so you'll see these 3 scoot through pretty quick now. And yeah, this has been Hans the Ramen Reader, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Like, subscribe, helps me out. Have a good one. Bye-bye.
My noodles, I have to show you how to do it. And I've been having